Hello, good morning to everyone. Today is February 25, 2021. So as usual, we will check the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Kung ano po nangyari kahapon. No? So if it is going up or going down. So today we don't have a trading because it is holiday. Holiday po ngayon. So wala po tayong trading ngayon. So today, we will check some of the requested stock here. But before that, this is only a disclaimer that this discussion, there is no recommendation for buying, holding, or selling your position if you have shares of these companies. So it depends on your trading strategy. There is no recommendation. So it is only purely for educational purposes. So they study the support and resistance. As I said, the support and resistance is very much important here in the stock market. So let's go to the chart, the PECI chart. I will share to you the PECI chart. So yesterday, I nagpula po si PECI. He's down by 0.86%. So as we discussed yesterday, there's possibility that the PCI will drop to this horizontal support, this yellow line. It is also corresponding with the exponential moving average 200, this green line. So we will watch this line, this support na hindi ma-break ni PCI. Ma-break and then of course, it will become a downtrend if the level of PCI will go below all the exponential moving averages. So, but for now, tomorrow, Friday, we will check this horizontal support and this exponential moving average 200 na hindi ma-break ni PCI. So, dapat mag-hold lang si PCI in that area. So, let's go to the next one. The first stock here is ACEX. Tingnan natin si ACEX. Kung ano yung price movement ni ACEX yesterday. ACEX is up by 3.09% yesterday. But we will check this horizontal support kung mag-hold si ACEX on this area. So we can draw a horizontal support here, somewhere here, on this area here. So we'll draw a support line here, this area. So we will see if ACEX ay mag-hold in this area, this horizontal support. We'll see the MACD. This MACD now is tapering down, so the momentum is weak. So we need to watch if there is a crossover of the MACD again going to the signal line, this red line. But for now, we will watch this support, this horizontal support na mag-hold si ACEX in this area. So we need to see always where is the support and resistance. So thank you. Shout out to Saldi de la Pino. Thank you very much for your support. Good morning. Good morning po dyan. So now, if we see ACEX, we need to see this support na hindi ma-break ni ACEX. So dapat mag-hold si ACEX and then he will go sideways on this area. But if you have position in the bottom, just watch this horizontal support for me. But it's depends on your style. But for me, I will watch this horizontal support na mag-hold si ACEX. But for now, if you want to buy, wait if there is a pattern created in this area. So still the price is going down. How many days now coming from this resistance? So we need to watch if there is an accumulation of the in this area. It will create pattern, bullish pattern. But for now, we will watch first this EMA 220, this blue line. Ay nasa taas pa naman siya ng blue line, but there's a possibility that it will drop on this area here. So if you draw incline resistance, we can draw from here, this line here, and we'll connect all the uh, highs, no? This area here. So this is the possible resistance for ACEX. So we need to watch this line and the break in ACEX also, this implied resistance. But for now, we need to see this support na hindi mag-break ni ACEX, because kung ma-break, and of course, it will go back down below, maybe here somewhere in the MA50 area. So that is my thoughts for ACEX. Next one is EP. We'll see AP. As consolidated mining. AC is going up in the previous months. And now we're sitting this resistant area here. There's a pullback, and on this support line here, nag-bounce po si 80. But for now, nandito pa nag-consolidate si 80 dito. Then we need to see the support na hindi ma-break ni 80, this line here. This is the possible support line ni 80. This one here, this support. So we need to watch this line na hindi ma-break ni 80. So of course, if ma-break, they will go back to this next support line below this line. So if you have a position for 80, for me, I will wait this line na hindi ma-break ni this support, horizontal support, hindi ma-break ni 80. And possible resistance, this area now is creating a resistance area, a minor resistance. So if we draw another line here, we'll see the support resistance line. So still is above in this area. So if ever the ma-break to ni 80, possible we will go back to the next resistance line above. But provided that this support ay hindi ma-break ni 80. Because ma-break, if ever ma-break, and it will go back to this next support line below. So dapat ma-break ni 80 itong horizontal resistance, this line. So next one is DNL. We'll see DNL. DNL Industries ay nandito pa naman sa my support line, this line here, this area. So we will see, if we see the incline support, this line here, nagbabounce po si DNL, and this line here. So we need to watch this. We will adjust this line. We will adjust this line here. We'll connect the bottom. Okay, we need to watch this incline support na hindi ma-break ni DNL, this line, and this horizontal support. These two lines, we need to watch na hindi ma-break ni DNL. This support line, horizontal support, and this incline support. So kung mag-still lang si DNL on this area, so for me, still okay if we will stay above on this incline support and this horizontal support. But if ever ma-break ni DNL, especially this horizontal support, Of course, it will go back below the two exponential moving averages, which is 50 and 20. So it will called as a trend in adjustment if ever it will go back below of these two exponential moving averages. So for now, we need to watch this horizontal support and incline support na hindi mag-break ni DNL. Next one, we will see the D2. This is a very, this company is the third telco, no? This company. We'll see dito, as we discussed several in a few days ago, that we need to wait if there is a retracement of dito. But now, nagre-retrace na si dito. For me, my own opinion for dito, I will try to draw a incline support. So this incline support, malayo-layo pa, no? We need to connect this line. So we need to watch this support line na hindi ma-break ni dito. Of course, it's still here. So we need to watch if there is a accumulation above on this area, this incline support. But for now, for me, dapat mag-hold si dito on this horizontal support, this line, around 14.67, 14.68. Dapat mag-hold lang si dito on this area. We see MACD. MACD now is crossing down. So momentum now has become weak. So we need, for me, this is only my basis, this inclined support na hindi siya lalabas dito and this horizontal support. So possible will drop on this area, this horizontal support line. Dapat mag-hold lang sa diyan. If not, of course, it will go back to below to AB50, this red line. So we will see the next movement of dito. But for now, watch this horizontal support. Kung mag-drop si dito on this area, and the inclined support na hindi ma-break ni dito. If we see the inclined support, here nag-hold naman si dito. Here nag-bounce. Here also there's a bounce. And now we will watch this incline support na kung lalapat si dito this on this line, the price we need to see. Kung ano na si dito sa may incline support. But provided that this horizontal support na hindi ma-break ni dito. That is my thoughts for dito, but it's depend on your trading strategy. But for me, I will wait if the price will drop on this horizontal support, provided na hindi ma-break ni dito. The last one is ACC. Semirara Mining. Si Semirara Mining, still nag-hold pa naman dito sa my inclined support. And we see here, there is a bounce. There is a bounce here in this area. Also, there is a bounce in this area here. So, another one is there is a bounce in this area. But now, the price is below the moving average 200, this green line. So, we need to watch na yung price ay babalik, will go up above all the exponential moving averages, provided that this inclined support ay hindi ma-break ni ACC. And especially this horizontal support line here. Because if this inclined support ay ma-break ni ACC, of course, the price will go back below all the exponential moving averages. This green, orange, red, and blue. So, if ever the price will break this inclined support and this horizontal support, of course, PCC will become a downtrend. Because the price will go back above all, below all the exponential moving averages. But take note that this inclined support, dapat mag-stay lang yung price ng ACC above on this line. And it's good, no, kung he will climb back above all these points and moving averages. But for me, my general opinion, I will watch this incline support na hindi ma-break ni ACC and this horizontal support. So that's all for today. This is only my uh, insight for these companies, but as I said, there's no recommendation for buying, selling, or holding your positions. It depends on your style. So that is your money. So what we have here only is to check the support and resistance. It's very important, support and resistance. So I hope if you have some comments, just put your comments in the comments box, and we will check it. That's all for today. Thank you, and God bless us all always.